Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, viewers. Uh, we are proceeding with our SAP connectivity using VBA and automation, right? With a click of button, Excel is capable of connecting you to the SAP server and then execute some program. And we in the last video, we showed you that we have divided these in two steps. First is you click on the start. So what happens? It takes you to the SAP. The SAP is logged on with your credentials, which are stored in the sheet to set up. Right. The next is you you are going to go to the ABAP editor, that is SE 38, and it is going to execute an object program, and it will display the OK. Means it has been successfully executed. Before clicking OK, you can go and see what the report is being shown here. So this is actually a country list, and the country list of the SAP table. We have a SAP table. The table name is T005T. This is the table which has all the countries names, right? All the names of the country with country codes, right? So the list which is shown does not show you how many they are, right? So why not put a variable so that it can be displayed. So how many means a serial number. Well, let's add a column to the table, to the report, and call the serial number. This is serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, and like this. And when you reach to the last one, then you would know that how many countries are listed in this table of SAP, right? So the serial number is good to have a serial number in such a listing that tells you how many countries. Also, you would like this to be alphabetically sorted, right? A comes first and U goes to N, yeah, B, and the S is coming. So this is not sorted as per alphabetically with the name. So we will put a sort order on this field, right? That is len X. This is len 1. This is len X. As you can see in the code, it is len 1. This is the len 1 field, and this is len X. Len X is what? It is the name. So we want this to be sorted. So let's first of all handle it that it is sorted with len 1. So we remove. So we will adjust it. So first of all, we got to enable the editing, right? This way you, whenever you need to make changes in the program, you got to click this button to tell that I'm editing it. Okay, so this is editing, and that's it. So we have entered the command that select all records from this table where the language is English, and this process the language codes, right? There are language codes as well, right? And order by land X. Land X is the field in which the complete name of the country is written, right? Okay, the first thing is, and then the second thing is that we want the serial number, right? For this, we got to have a variable defined. We have to have a variable defined as a type integer and with a starting initial value of 1, right? So this is the initialization of the value, and then we will increment this variable with d is equal to d plus 1. So that will, in this do while loop, it is going to add 1 into this, right? So still we have not used the write command to write the value of d. So let's put a d here, right? And press and put a full stop here to terminate this statement, right? Every command is to be terminated with a period. And here we will again write, I'm sorry. This is write, and so we only need that. This mark is telling you that each time you enter a serial number, you go to the next line. This works as a line feed, carried written, right? So this takes you to the fresh line, and then it starts writing And once this writing is finished, immediately it is written the name, and that's it. And again, for the next, it is before going to the next, it is incrementing the number d is equal to d plus 1, and then doing it until this function. So quite simple. ABAP programming is very, very simple. It's English. It is easy to understand. You had good readability of syntax, and you enjoy a lot of ease while coding. The system guides you what to do. And for example, if you remove this end select here, okay, so and you just type end, you will see the end select is being suggested by the system for you. So system guides you, right? And select. So select is terminated with the end select. Whatever you write in it, that is going to be executed until all the listing is complete. Okay. So once you have made the changes, first thing you do is you save it. Okay. You get the message that your object is saved, program is saved. The next thing you do is you check. Check it. So there's no error, right? There's no error in here. That's fine. And if there is an error, there will be a red mark here. For the time being, you just ignore this, and as long as there is no error, we are happy, right? The next is we execute it to see, right? Okay, we have to activate it. Once you have checked it, then you have to activate it. Without activating, you cannot execute it. Now you can execute. Right? So you have successfully added a new column in which the serial number is written, and this is going to tell you how many countries are there in the SAP table of countries. So you have 256. The last one is Zimbabwe, right? Yeah, Yemen and Zimbabwe. It's alphabetically sorted, and USA coming here to 240 alphabetically is sorted. Okay, so you can see your country of choices where they are falling. Okay, Afghanistan is on top, and then because this alphabetically sorted. Okay? Australia, yeah, all with the A's and B's. So you have successfully managed to change the existing code of a program, execute it, right? And next time when you will execute it, it is going to be, next time when you will execute it, you will see this fresh, updated result of the program, right? So let's take it out, click OK, process complete. Now, if you run it, and this time it is going to execute the program. Okay, let's click here. So as soon as the OK button comes, we will go and see the SAP, the result region. So this is the updated list as which was which is having a serial number, and it has 256 countries list is shown to you, right? Okay, so this is how using Excel you can mm, do the programming, write a program, invoke the program, alter a program in ABAP, SAP server, AI, and user, and you can make the changes, and you can try your own. You can adjust the in we you remember we have seen the select command as well, right? The select command is the SQL query, select a star from such and such table, order by what, right? So alphabetically sorting was also shown to you. So all these changes which we made, these show you that how easy it is. You can you can learn ABAP using our channel. Inshallah, we will make more videos to explain you how you can get started with the ABAP programming well using this VBA experience. Most of the time, commands are similar in ABAP, and only ABAP works only for SAP, right? And whereas Excel will take you to the SAP as well, and VBA will take you to the SAP and allow you to write the program in the SAP, right? So, and we can further make the enhancement so that there comes a menu for you for all your objects which you have created. You select that object, and it is going to execute your selected object. At the moment, you have only this button, right? So we cannot make so many buttons. It's not wise to make so many buttons in there. Why not have a drop down of all your programs which are making which you are making like reports or certain processes which you want to automate, and keep them in a drop down. And before clicking into this button, we will change the name of this button. We will say execute, right? Execute what you have selected from this drop down. We will make a drop down, and that would have all the available programs, all the programs which you might be interested in to make the addition or to execute or make the amendment or make enhancement or like this. Okay, so we will continue, and it's a fun uh, doing using the automation expertise to automate the SAP process, SAP processes. Thank you very much for watching.